Okay, so I just went back and watched that video, and all you could hear is Julia playing, so I hope this one's better. So here we go. So this is, some of this is new, some of this should not be new. You should know quite a bit of this information, but again, it's a good reference to have, okay? So, the sun, earth, and moon. Okay, the sun rotates on an axis. It is a source of heat and light for our solar system. Okay, it's a medium-sized star, is a sphere of burning gas, is 1,000,000 times bigger than the Earth, has no real surface, so you couldn't step on it if you wanted to, and the temperature on the surface, which is just the top, is 5,600 degrees Celsius, which is pretty toasty, if I say so myself. Okay, so that's all about the sun. So pause here if you need to get this. Hey, SpongeBob. Shh. No. She's playing SpongeBob. Okay. Now let's talk about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is 4 times larger than the moon. It rotates every 24 hours on its axis. Has water and an atmosphere. Life is a huge thing. Plants and living things. It's the only planet that has that so far. It is a sphere made of rock, and is the only planet, to support life. Okay, we should all know those things. So give that a pause if you're not sure. Also, while you're pausing, I sure hope you are not using pens. Oh my goodness, Julia, there's water everywhere. Okay. Moon is a sphere of rock. Has no atmosphere, no life. The surface is scarred and cratered. It is a natural satellite, which means it naturally orbits around the Earth. It takes 29 days to revolve around the Earth, and it orbits the Earth, and it has many phases. That's why we see the moon looking like different shapes in the sky. Okay, I'm going to pause this for just a second. Okay, sorry. I had to go clean up her whole entire mess there. Anyway, so some of this might be new, some of this may not be new, but that's fine. You do have to differentiate in 5th grade the sun, earth, and moon. So if I said this object has no life and...
So I see color today, I know.
Okay, right. If I said this object had no life and revolves around the Earth, you could tell me it was the moon. If I told you it was a sphere of burning gas, you could tell me it was the sun. Okay, so let's move on to this. Again, this is another review. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, then you go to fill in all of these right here. My very educated mother just served us nachos, okay? There's lots of different mnemonic devices to help you. This is just the one that I use. So, again, pause this if needed to fill this out. Okay, when you guys are done with this, you're going to go work on your vocabulary. And then that's all you have for today, okay? I sure do miss you guys, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you're upholding all of my expectations.